How to install a premium windshield wiper blade. To ensure optimal wiping performance, please clean the windshield before installation. First, place the towel we provided on glass to avoid scratches while installing. Next, lift the wiper arm. Then, dismount the old wiper blade. Place the removed wiper arm gently on the towel. Remove green or white blade cover. After installation, pull the wiper blade from the wiper arm and confirm it's not detachable. Remove the blade wear indicator cover layer before use. Now, let's take a look at the wiping performance of the new wiper blades. Remove every drop of water for a clear view.